Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about creating a date table using the calendar function. So we've already spoken in the previous video in this series around the benefits of using a date table. Please look at the list and then reference the previous video in case you want to look at why we should create a date table. So in this video we are going to talk about how to create a date table, and this one is going to be a very simple table, and then you can enhance it if you wanted to. So essentially you can use the calendar function where you provide the start date and the end date. It just, so the example is, this calendar, and then I'm providing 1st of Jan 2010 and the end date as 31st of December 2020. And what it will do is it will create a table for me and give me that table which I can use. So let's just start, and let me bring this, my Power BI file here. Sorry, I need to escape out of this first. Minimize this. And I'll bring this one here. And we'll create a date table. So I'll just go to modeling tab and I'll create a new table. And I'll just call it calendar. So just call it calendar date table maybe, because we're using the calendar function. And we'll say calendar, so we'll be using the calendar function. And here I'm going to provide the dates. So 1st December 2024 maybe, and then I'm just going to close it out. And it's created this table for me, so the calendar date table. So let's look at the contents of this table. So essentially what I've done is I've just said, hey, calendar table, and the first date in the calendar function is 1st of Jan 2010 and last date is 1st of December 2024. And you can see it's created this table where I've got the first date as 1st of Jan, and then if I do sort descending, it'll give me that 31st of December 2024. So, and then using this I can break it up, find the day, so or whether it's a Friday or a Monday. I can add more columns to check whether it's a holiday or not. I could add more columns specifically for fiscal calendar and so on and so forth. So in this video we've learned how to create a date table using the calendar function. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you'd like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.